Hello everyone, and welcome to this course on Adobe Aero. So, Adobe Aero is a product by Adobe that allows us to create augmented reality projects. So, augmented reality is basically trying to fuse the digital world with the physical space, as you see in this particular video here. Okay, and then let's see which other videos. Okay, you can see this video. So fusing the digital space with the digital space with the physical space. Okay, so you can bring a digital object into your physical environment, and Adobe Aero takes away the learning curve, okay, the high learning curve for you creating this or to be able to create this. Basically, you're going to be doing a lot of drag and drops, and you still have interesting AR projects to create. So basically, you would have to visit this link as you see here, adobe.com/products/arrow, let's say html.html. Okay, and yeah, so there's a page you'll be presented with. You have to have an Adobe account or a Google account to sign in or sign up. I already have my account. So if I click on the try the desktop app, since I already have it, it should launch the desktop app on my PC. Okay, so let's see what it's going to do. So I already have it, so it's going to ask me to open my Creative Cloud app. Okay, since I already have installed it, it's there, and yeah, I can basically launch it. Uh, just continue. Installing Aero Beta. I don't know why it's installing, but I already have it. Okay, on my PC, as you see on on my tab. Here, there's it. Okay, so I can just let me just launch it from here. So for those who are new, I think you go through that downloading and installation process. But since I already have it, yeah, I'm going to launch it from my desktop. Okay, okay, so it's good. Whatever changes we make is saved to the cloud, then are available. Okay. Oh, this misspelled my name. All my projects, all my projects. Okay, so I think all my projects are missing. I don't know why, but let me just see. Okay, so let's just proceed. Okay, so if you sign up or you have an Adobe account, all the installation and everything is done, you have this welcome screen with your name and everything. And yeah, so if you have an existing file or someone has sent you an arrow file, you can you can import it or you can open it. Let's see if you want to import. There should be an import feature here. I don't know why it's not working, but let's see. Let's create a new project. Or let me see if I have some files. Yeah, so these are my files. These are my Aero files. So the projects I've created in Aero. So let's see which one. Um, let's just create a new file. Give your project a title. Okay. So basically, this is the interface. In the next lesson, we'll walk through some of the interface menus, and then we'll see the way forward with that. Okay. Thank you.